Hello YouTuber, this is Chung. I'm reviewing the continuous ink system from Kyna Tech. I bought on AliExpress.com, and this is for the HP DesignJet T120. As you know, the genuine one costs quite a lot for the whole set. It's like $100 for a regular standard size. On a continuous ink system, you would have an external ink tank, all four color: black, blue, magenta, and yellow. And it is suggested you should install it on the same level as the printer, because I use a stand, so I have to put some extra thingy here. It's not on the desk. And the main mechanism is by air pressure. So you have the small hole here on the tank, and this is the air filter. And by air pressure, it will push the ink, follow the tube along the side of the printer, go through here. Let me open it this. Okay. It runs up here along the bottom edge of it, and right past the middle section. Okay, this is the middle section, right? Right past the middle section is where you start to secure it, like pretty hard, so that and then the tube right here will be the section. Okay, I'll go out. Okay, as you can see here, that section is not secured to the side of the printer because the whole, let me try to pull it. Okay. When you open this, okay, as you can see, these are not the manufacturer one. These are the one that come with the continuous ink system, including the cartridges and the external tank outside and the tube. Okay, let's see it one more time. It's run out here, go inside there, and into the bottom, along the edges, past the middle section, clamp it there securely, and this section will be free all the way to here, like that. This is the replacement tube. It's more rigid than the first set that I received, so I only have to. And it's and how do you put it in? So basically, you open the cartridge, the door, right? It will move the whole cartridge out. Take out the original one, and then use your hand finger, push the whole set. Okay, pull it out here slowly so you don't damage it. The tank holder, okay. The cartridge system, whatever you call it. And as you can see, this section right here, see, it have to be as you can see, it droop a little down here. It should be stay on top like this. With the plastic stripe tape on it, it helps to make this thing stand horizontally. as this whole thing moves. And when you install it, you push it. So at first when you install it, like you don't have the air filter installed yet, right? So that the two hole here is plugged, so that the ink is not flowing out of the tube. And so you can secure these wires, put it in the back here, and you have to slip those those cartridges down here. Open that up and lift this whole thing out. That's how you take the whole setup and install your third-party cartridges with a continuous ink system. And put it all the way down, clamp it back, and just like that. You close that. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. It when I close everything, it makes sure the rail is running okay, and it pushes the whole cartridge back into the side where I store it. Let me try to print out something. And I'm just gonna print a report. Oh, you should go into the menu. Like when you first install it the first time, go into the menus and do the the alignment and the clean the print head. And so you can print a report and you can see it. The report look like that. It's clean and everything. Okay. Why is it taking so long? Oh, I was not supposed to take these out because these for the multi-tray, the small size one. Close it back so this can print on the roll paper. Okay. I actually don't know yet how to film this, like why it was printing, moving back and forth. Even I opened this. I guess it was somebody YouTube can do that. Like they open this up and it's still printing, but I have to close it. Really good quality printing, and we're kind of happy now. I mean, even though the first time I installed it, like got a lot of toner spill because I didn't know how to. So the most important thing is make sure the level of the tank, okay, is on the same level as the printer, and install everything before you put in the air filter. Then that will make sure that the airbrush will continue to supply the ink through the tube to the printhead cartridge. Thank you for watching. Oh, I hope this is, support the seller, which is the Kyna Tech on AliExpress store. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.